Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll share one of my very easy recipes, that is Sabudana Khichdi. I am making it using cow ghee, desi cow ghee, which I ordered from Amazon with VTuber's recommendation. I've added some jeera. So this is my way of making this Sabudana Khichdi. So when this cumin seeds start to splutter, I'll add the slit green chillies and curry leaves to it, and I'll saute them. I don't like more potatoes in my sabudana khichdi, so I've kept it to minimum. I'll just fry these in ghee, desi cow ghee. Now we'll add some chopped tomatoes, mixing all of the ingredients together. I'll saute the tomatoes so that they become soft and mushy. We can also add tomato puree if we want, so that it coats nicely with the sabudana pearls, sago pearls. Now adding some salt so that tomatoes become soft easily. I'll mix again. Now we'll add some potatoes. These are boiled potatoes. I'll fry them with the tomatoes, mixing them. When it's done, we'll add sago pearls or sabudana. Now I'm adding some black pepper. When this becomes soft and mushy, then we will add sabudana, that is sago pearls. Now this has become slightly soft. We'll add some sugar to it. I like my sabudana khichdi with some sweetness and sourness of lemon, so I've added sugar. So this is combined really nicely. Now I'll add soaked sabudana. This is soaked for around 1 hour, and I've left it after soaking it for 1 hour, washing it nicely. I've kept it aside without water for 1 hour more. So total 2 hours time I need before I make this khichdi. Then we'll just mix it nicely, and we should make it like translucent. Then we should eat, but I like it little whitish. I like the bite and the crunch, so I make it this way. But ideally you should have it should turn transparent while cooking. I'm using a small spoon. You should use a nice big spoon with holes in it, so then it will be nice. So when it becomes nice, when it's done, you can plate it. This takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes on stove, and preparation, soaking and all takes around 2 hours, and then you can cook it as per instruction on the back. This is done. This is how it looked when I plated it. Now we'll add some lemon juice to it and have it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.